What if I told you Facebook organic is not dead? It is not even close to dead. It is the single highest leverage marketing channel on planet Earth. There is just one catch. You have to have an operating system layered on top of it, and almost nobody does. Give me the next 8 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly what that operating system is, the 3 secrets behind it, and how my wife Ankita and I used it to do over $10 million in personal organic sales on a regular Facebook account. Not a viral following, a regular Facebook account. If you stay with me, by the end of this video, the entire system will be sitting on your screen, yours to install today. But the only way the offer at the end makes sense is if you understand what it actually does first. So let us start there. My name is John Vaughn. My wife and co-founder is Ankita Vaughn. Together we run Vaughn Labs in Tier 5. We built a software platform called Friender, and along the way, Friender helped us win 6 ClickFunnels awards, 3 2 Comma Club awards for $1 million in a single funnel, 2 2 Comma Club X awards for $10 million in a single funnel, and 1 2 Comma Club C award for over $25 million. I am not telling you that to brag. I am telling you because when I say this operating system works, I am not guessing. I used it every single day on my own personal Facebook account to do over $10 million in my own organic sales. Same Facebook you have, same friends list you have, same messenger inbox you stare at every morning. We just turned it into an engine. Here's the part nobody talks about. Ankita and I did not start with a viral following. We started with a regular account, a list of friends we had not talked to in months, and a stack of products we needed to sell. We tried the obvious stuff first. We tried paid ads, and they ate cash. We tried generic content, and nobody cared. We tried DM blasts and got soft blocked. None of it was the platform. The platform was fine. What we were missing was a sequence. Profile, then content, then conversation, then offer. And underneath that sequence, a lead magnet philosophy that makes people raise their hand instead of run away. We tested that sequence on my own account, over and over. We measured every step. We cut what did not work. We wrote down everything that did. And that document became the operating system I am about to walk you through. So, why does this matter for you? Because right now, if you are anything like the operators we work with every day, your Facebook account is sitting there doing almost nothing. Your friends list is full of people who do not engage. Your posts get a handful of likes from the same 5 people. You send a few messages and get ignored. Or you spend 2 hours hand typing the same DM to 20 strangers and close 0 of them. That is not Facebook organic being dead. That is you running random moves on a giant platform. Random moves produce random results. So here's the one thing I want you to actually believe by the end of this video. If you only remember one sentence, remember this one. Facebook organic is the highest leverage marketing channel on earth, IF, and only if you have an operating system on top of it. It is free. It already contains a warm audience. It has direct messaging built in. It rewards content with reach when the content is right. And it is the only platform on earth where a stranger will accept a friend request and then read what you posted yesterday. Every other channel costs money to play. This one does not. The only thing it costs is the system. And the system is what we are going to walk through right now. 3 secrets. 3 things you have to believe before any of this works. Secret number 1, the vehicle. The vehicle is what we call the 5 pillars. Profile funnel, content framework, Facebook lead generation, DM sales, sales systems. Profile funnel turns your profile into a sales asset. Most people use their profile like a digital business card. We use it like a landing page. Cover photo, profile photo, bio, pinned post, all working together so when a stranger lands on it, they immediately know who you are, who you help, and what to do next. Content framework gives you the 11 post types that actually build trust and authority on Facebook. Not random posting. 11 specific post types in a specific ratio, posted in a specific cadence. Facebook lead generation shows you the 5 organic sources of leads that Facebook gives you for free, plus 2 pieces of secret sauce almost nobody uses. DM sales teaches you the CARE method: connect, ask, reveal, engage. This is how you turn a cold messenger conversation into a sales conversation without ever sounding like a salesperson. And sales systems gives you the pipeline that turns conversations into predictable revenue. Because 73% of every lead you have ever generated is sitting in a DM, an inbox, a phone, or a forgotten spreadsheet right now. Cold, forgotten, worth real money. Sales Systems fixes that. 5 pillars, 1 system. That is the vehicle. Secret number 2, the mechanism. If the 5 pillars are the structure, the mechanism is the fuel. We call it MIFGE, the most incredible free gift ever. This is the lead magnet philosophy Russell Brunson and Dan Kennedy made famous. The idea is simple. Your lead magnet is not a PDF. It is not a checklist. It is something so valuable that the person on the other end would have paid for it, and you are giving it away to start the relationship. When you combine the 5 pillars with MIFGE, the friend requests stop feeling cold, the messages stop feeling pushy, and the sales stop feeling like you are dragging someone over the line. The engine runs warm. People come to you. Russell Brunson built a 2 Comma Club award funnel on the back of a free front-end MIFGE. 5,100 subscribers. $1 million, 30 days, no course, no coaching, just the right gift, delivered the right way. MIFGE is why. Secret number 3, the system. The 5 pillars and MIFGE get you to a working machine. But the only reason we cross 7 figures and then 8 figures is the daily tactical layer underneath them. Soft blocks, friend acceptance rate, friend request limits, wall cleanup, audience priming, the 4 animal buyer types, continuity offers, birthday wishes that actually open conversations. These are the things nobody teaches because they look small. Ankita and I measured every single one of them on my account. We learned why your profile gets soft blocked even when you're doing nothing wrong. We learned the exact daily friend request rhythm that scales without getting throttled. We learned which posts to archive, which to keep, and how often. There are 17 of these tactical masterclasses inside the system. Each one is a half hour to an hour. Together, they are the reason the playbook holds up at scale. So that is the operating system. 5 pillars, MIFGE, the tactical layer. Now, if I could give you that entire system today, in one install, with the masterclasses, the tactical training, the templates, and a working AI brain that runs the content engine for you, would that be worth taking a look at? Good. Then let me show you exactly what is in the stack. You get the flagship 2-hour $1 million Facebook Organic Operating System Masterclass. The single video that ties every piece of this together sells separately for $997. You get all 7 pillar masterclasses: profile funnel, Facebook lead generation, content framework, post profits, MIFGE, DM sales, sales systems. These have sold separately for $297 each. $2,079 total. You get 8 tactical masterclasses, Facebook groups, soft blocks, friend acceptance rate, friend request blocked, clean your wall, dig your well, Facebook memories, 1K followers fast, worth $197 each, $1,576 total. You get 5 quick win bonus masterclasses, continuity, birthday wisher, remove inactive friends, the 4 animal buyer types, priming your audience, $97 each, $485 total. You get our 252 viral post templates, searchable and copy to clipboard ready, across 10 proven categories. Sells separately for $297. And on top of every single one of those, you get a 7-day full access trial of Friender Intelligence. The same AI brain we built the Voice Bible inside, the same system that runs our content engine, $563 in value on its own, 22 pieces total, 1 install, lifetime access to every masterclass and every template you see on this page. The total value, if you were to buy these pieces separately, is $5,997. That is not a made-up number. Every one of those pieces has been sold separately, at those prices, on previous launches. The math is real. So now I want you to ask yourself an honest question. What would it actually be worth to you to crack Facebook Organic? To wake up tomorrow morning, open your laptop, and know exactly what to post, who to message, and what to say to turn your existing friends list, the same one sitting in your account right now, into a real revenue engine. For most operators, that answer is somewhere between $25,000 and $100,000 over the next 12 months. We have seen it. We have measured it. Some of you are doing it already. So here's the math. I could charge $5,997 for this. And I have. People paid it. I could charge $997 and it would still be a no-brainer. But I am not going to charge you either of those numbers today. Your price on this page right now is $7. Not $700. Not $70. $7. You probably want to know why. Here's the truth. We are not running this offer to make money. We are running it to put this operating system in front of the real operators, the people who will actually use it. Because the people who use the system are the same people who eventually become Friender Power users, Friender partners, Friender case studies. That is the whole strategy. We win when you win. So we made the barrier $7. You have got two choices right now. Choice 1, close this tab, keep doing what you have been doing. Your friends list keeps sitting there. Your posts keep getting ignored. 6 months from now, you are exactly where you are today, except a little more frustrated. Choice 2, hit the button under this video. Type your name, your email, your card, 60 seconds. The entire operating system unlocks on the other side. You start tomorrow morning with the actual playbook, not another vague idea about what you should be doing. Now I want to talk about risk for a second, because at $7, a money-back guarantee is almost insulting. The risk is so low that the only real question is whether the system will actually do what I say it will. Here is how I handle that. The $7 also unlocks a 7-day full access trial of Friender Intelligence. If after 7 days you do not want it, one click cancels it. We do not play hide the button games. And here is the important part. Even if you cancel the trial, you keep every single masterclass, every template, and the full operating system forever. Yours. No clawbacks, no expiring access. So your downside is $7. Your upside is the entire system that built our business. Let me recap one more time what you are getting. The flagship $1 million Facebook Organic OS Masterclass, 7 Pillar Masterclasses, 8 Tactical Masterclasses, 5 Quick Win Bonus Masterclasses, 252 Viral Post Templates, and a 7-day Friender Intelligence trial, 22 pieces total, lifetime access, $5,997 in value, $7 today. The form is right below this video. First name, last name, email, card, 60 seconds and you're inside. This is the operating system that built our business. For $7, it is now yours. Hit the button below. I will see you on the inside.